Hey, are you looking to get into Forex trading? Do you want to learn about Forex trading, but don't have anyone to teach you? If you answered yes, then this video is for you. I will explain what Forex trading is and how it works with a simple example that even a 10-year-old can understand. But before we get into the video, like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now let's get back to the video. What is Forex trading? Forex trading is buying one currency and selling another currency in hopes that the value of that currency pair will move in your favor. For example, if you think that the US dollar will rise in value against the euro, you would buy the US dollar and sell the euro. If your prediction is correct, you would make a profit. But if you are wrong, you would lose money. It's important to note that when you trade Forex, you are not actually exchanging currencies. You are simply opening a position which represents the potential profit or loss you may incur if the currency pair moves in your favor or against you, respectively. How does Forex trading work? Here's a simple example to illustrate how Forex trading works. Let's say you live in the United States and you want to buy something from a store in Europe. The store only accepts euros, but you only have US dollars. So you go to a currency exchange website and convert your US dollars to euros so that you can buy what you want. In this example, you would be buying the euro and selling the US dollar. If the euro strengthens against the US dollar, you would make a profit. But if the US dollar strengthens against the euro, you would lose money. What is a currency pair? A currency pair is simply two currencies that are traded together. For example, if you are buying the euro and selling the US dollar, the currency pair would be the first currency in the pair is the base currency, and the second currency is the, quote, currency. Now let's look at some common Forex trading strategies. A Forex trading strategy is simply a set of rules that traders use to make decisions about when to buy and sell a currency pair. There are many different strategies that traders use, but some of the most common include trend trading, counter-trend trading, and day trading. Trend trading is a strategy in which traders buy a currency pair when the price is moving upwards and sell when the price is moving downwards. The goal of trend trading is to ride the wave of a trend and make profits along the way. Counter-trend trading is the opposite of trend trading. With this strategy, traders try to identify when a trend is about to reverse and take a position accordingly. Day trading is another popular Forex trading strategy in which traders buy and sell currency pairs throughout the day in an attempt to make small profits on each trade. It's important to note that there is no one best Forex trading strategy, and what works for one trader may not work for another. Each strategy has its own risks and rewards, and it's up to the individual trader to decide which one is right for them. What are some of the advantages of Forex trading? One of the main advantages of Forex trading is that it is highly liquid. This means that there are always buyers and sellers for a particular currency pair, and traders can easily enter and exit positions. Another advantage is that Forex trading is highly leveraged, which means that traders can control large positions with relatively small amounts of capital. However, it is important to note that leverage can also magnify losses as well as gains. What are some of the disadvantages of Forex trading? One of the main disadvantages of Forex trading is that it is highly risky. The Forex market is highly volatile and prices can move quickly, which can lead to significant losses if traders are not careful. Another disadvantage is that Forex trading is a 24-hour day, 5-day-a-week endeavor. Traders must be prepared to monitor their positions closely and make quick decisions when necessary. What are some tips for beginners? If you are a beginner, it is important to start with a demo account, so that you can practice and learn the ropes without risking any real money. You should also choose a reputable broker with a proven track record. It is also important to do your own research and never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.